Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast where America goes for funding, your financial hub, your resource for lending, credit, and real estate. We've been doing this for over 20 years and helped hundreds of thousands of people. And we're so happy and honored to be able to serve you. So we really appreciate you guys for watching us on the channel. Please call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331, or click on the link below to get signed up, to get pre-approved. We really appreciate all the help and support. Today we're talking about a gift of equity. What exactly is a gift of equity? So people always ask us this question all the time. Is it possible for me to buy a home with zero down from my family? So I want to talk about exactly what a gift of equity is, because a lot of people aren't aware of this, and we get a lot of people, a lot of subscribers, a lot of customers that'll ask us, what exactly is a gift of equity? So we've never really talked about it in this way. We talked about the family purchase of zero down, but not really highlight on the exact gift of equity. So when you think about equity, equity is money. Equity is at your asset. That's your home. That's your real estate, right? So equity equals money, right? And so when you're buying a home, you're buying a piece of property, you normally have to put a down payment. You have to pay closing costs. If you're doing a conventional loan, you can put as much as 20% down. If you're doing an FHA loan, as much as 3.5% down. Now, normally when you're going to buy this property, you have to have that money in your bank account for the down payment. Let's say that you're doing a conventional loan and you have to put 20% down. So if you think of what we're saying, gift of equity, so that's like a gift of money. It's like a gift for the down payment, because if you're going to go buy that house, you have to put 20% down. So if you're buying a $300,000 home, you have to put $60,000 down. So in this example, if you don't have the $60,000 down, you can get a gift of equity, and you can get a gift of equity from the seller. The seller can contribute to you as the buyer the down payment or the closing cost. So in this example, if you had to come up with $60,000 down, you don't have the $60,000, where can you get the $60,000 from? You can get a gift of equity from the seller. The seller can gift you the down payment from the equity in the property. So if the house is worth $360,000 and he's selling it to you for $300,000, he can gift you $60,000 for the down payment. So then that way you don't have to pay the down payment. Now, generally speaking, for most loans, in order to do a gift of equity, there has to be some type of relationship there. It can't be just a foreign seller and a new buyer that have no relationship. Generally speaking, there has to be a connection, either a family connection between the seller and the buyer. And if there's a family connection between the seller and the buyer, then you're allowed to do that gift of equity transaction, where the down payment literally comes from the equity in the property, and you can buy the property with no money down and get 100% financing. So if that's the situation that you're in, maybe you're trying to buy the home from your family, maybe you're trying to buy the home from your cousin, you can do a gift of equity sale, and you're able to purchase the home with no money down and get 100% finance. A really cool thing, because it'll save you on the down payment and the closing costs. So you can literally buy, whether it's commercial or residential, it doesn't matter. You can literally buy a property with no money down and get 100% financing. So it's a very awesome thing that a lot of lenders don't know about, that we specialize in with our company. Most lenders will require you to still pay the down payment and closing costs out of your pocket. We do not do that. We'll accept the gift of equity, and you could do zero down, 100% financing. So whether it's conventional, FHA, VA, commercial, hard money, it doesn't matter. If you're in a situation like this where you've inherited property, you're trying to buy your family's property, you can tap into the gift of equity to buy your property with no money down, 100% financing. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, we lend nationwide. So call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. We'd love to hear from you to give you the hookup for this gift of equity program. Or you can be proactive and click on the link down below to get signed up, to get pre-approved with Angelo Christian. Either way, we got you covered. Take care. Thank you so much for watching our channel, and check out my next video, and thank you so much.